What's good, everybody? Zage back with another 12 Hub TV video. Today we're going to look at a different shoe from a different perspective, comparing, contrasting, looking at the aesthetics of one classic silhouette, the Dunk, which is the only Dunk I'm got left. This is the Viotech. I love this shoe, by the way. It's a beautiful shoe. Nice. Look at that. That's a beautiful freaking shoe, bro. Yeah, a Dunk. So Nike recently redesigned the Dunks in a women's silhouette. It's called a Disrupt. So I went for it on the sneakers app, one of the colorways. I don't remember which one this is. It's the one that just recently released, but here it is, and I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. All right, let's go. So yeah, the Disrupt. It's new. They came out with a few colorways earlier this year, and this one right here seems to be one of the more. This one, I think, it's sold out real quick, but you know, I had to go get a pair. I went and got my women's size 12, which is a 10.5, and I'm never gonna wear it. So you know, it is what it is. And you know, probably give this one away when I have an opportunity. Yeah, and getting inside the box here, pretty simple packaging. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Look at that. Oh, those are the shoes right there. This colorway is the Platinum Violet. So that's that. Look at that. It's a little bit. It's very different from the original Dunks, obviously. So looking at it aesthetically, got the overhead cam going back again, so we can see all the nuanced flavors of this shoe. Move you out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, the little this joint. This is not that bad. I like this color. Oh, it's definitely got the deconstructed tongue, like your off-whites. Nice fat laces. Get rid of that box. Definitely fat laces on that. Let's look at the one for right now. Whew. This is nice, actually. Pretty decent quality leather. It's got like mesh toe box. It's a little stiff. Oh, that's stiff because there's cardboard in there. But yeah, so it's definitely offset from what the original Dunks look like. I could probably squeeze my foot into this if I tried. Right here, very thick pull tab on the heel. Sole is cool. So let's compare. Let's do pull left. These are both the right shoe. So let's look. Boom. Overhead, you see soles are very, very different. Not gonna get much different than that. This has a gum sole. Obviously, the Viotech here does not. And midsole is stacked with more of the, what do you call it? Padding? Not padding, like just a higher midsole. You see how floated by, like, whoa, look at that. Yeah, and if you look at the regular Dunk, it's not like that. It's different. It's different. Obviously no pull tab on the heel. Nike on the back of this, which I dig. And obviously this colorway is crazy. But this one also, it's a very clean colorway in my opinion. This one, it doesn't necessarily pop. It looks kind of grayish in this light, but it's sort of like it's like a grayish pink, if that makes sense. Laces, similar in a sense. I think they are about the same. Probably possibly a little bit thicker on this shoe. Materials wise, this thing is pretty quality in my opinion. Soft tumbled leather and mesh material all around. Overall, do I like it? Yeah. If they made a men's model of this, because this is another thing that's cool. It is wider. Definitely wider. So I would assume this is wide foot friendly if I could fit my wide foot in here. And yeah, that's about it. The tongue, for sure is awesome. I love deconstructed tongues. I've been wearing my off-white rubber Dunks a lot lately. Actually, let's compare this to the rubber Dunk. Let's compare this to the rubber Dunk. Got that bad boy here. This is more rubber dunkish than anything. So there's the rubber dunk. There's the disrupt. Look at that. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, this is more like the rubber dunk is wider. It's got heavy sole, heavy midsole and stuff. Like, I think it takes a few cues, you know, design wise. So if you see how high the midsole and the regular sole is, so this is a dope shoe overall, in my opinion. I am not mad at this at all. I've been rocking these a lot. Rubber dunk is probably my favorite shoe right now. But overall, I think this silhouette, I hope it sticks around. Same price point, about 110, 100, 110. And it's quality, in my opinion. I wish they made extended sizes for bigger feet. Maybe they will next year. These all sell out, obviously. Resale is, you know, you're going to get 125, 130 right now. I think they'll go up over time because this is different. Oh, yeah, overall, the soles, for real, the soles are, you know, a little bit different. I actually like the way the disrupt looks on the sole. It's not that, you know, the traction's a little bit different, but it's called a disrupt, so it's whatever. It's like it's moved down. It has similar pattern here on the toe, up towards the toe, and then the round part right there is more towards the middle than towards the big toe, I think, right? It's a little towards a little toe in the middle of the foot. But yeah, this is a pretty awesome shoe in my opinion. Tell me what you think in the comments. This is going to be a short one. I really did not want to go too in-depth on this shoe because I can't wear it. I'm never going to wear it. I'm just going to look at it and say, ooh, it's pretty dope. And possibly sell it. Oh, yeah, and this. It's not the wing thing. This I don't particularly care for. If you want to flare out your laces a little bit, you work with this. But overall, aesthetically, it doesn't hurt it too much. I think it's a decent accent, but I don't think these wing things are necessary. If they just made this one solid piece with the 4 holes right here, I would have liked it more. But that's my opinion. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you like regular dunks, disrupt dunks, or rubber dunks? This is the only rubber dunk ever. And one of my favorite shoes of 2020. Tell me what y'all think. Get back to me in the comments. Like, subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway video link in the description below for the giveaway video. Just watch through it and follow those rules. Alright? Check you on the next one. Peace.